We run our swimming pool on baking soda, borax, bleach, and balls. So y'all check it out. Let's do it. Because I tell you, it works good. See it? Y'all see the result? Look at that. Shiny Downy. We got it. Y'all be good. What I'm going to do right here is I'm going to pull these out and show y'all what's going on with the balls. Y'all see how clear the water is? It's a little dirty in these bottom vacuum, but the water's clear as it can be. But look in here. This is the secret. Filter balls. Y'all ready? I'm just going to bring the whole little sack of them up here and set them up on the top. And y'all look at that. Filter balls. That's what that is, filter balls. Now when they clean, they're white. I mean, as white as they can be. I'm going to clean this one just to show you what it looks like. You ready? I'm going to take it and I'm going to dunk it in the water. I'm going to squeeze it. Now, check that out. See that spun ball? Nice and clean. All them? Well, they're not. And I'm going to get it wet and squeeze it. Get it wet and squeeze it. I'm going to do it a few more times. And what I found is if you rub them in your hands like that, you can get them pretty clean. You see how clean that is now? So we can do a better job. But what they do is they help everything catch so much more. Look at all this. Every little leaf and whatever goes in catches here and it doesn't go to the basket below. So look at that. I'm going to show y'all what comes out of these things. Okay, you ready? Can y'all see that? I hope you can. Let's see what happens. These balls clean so we can put them back in. So we're going to do the rest of them right quick. Look how nasty that sucker is. I'm going to take it down in the water and bring it up and get all that off of it up here on the top. See, we got those pretty clean. When you let the dog swim in the pool all the time, that's kind of what's going to happen, you know. Okay, folks, what we're going to do, we're going to put the basket back inside the skimmer. Okay, see that? We got that in there. And we got these balls all rinsed off. Remember how nasty they were a few minutes ago? Well, they're a lot better now. We're just going to drop them in the bottom and float them down into that basket. See them down there? We're just going to push them right down in the basket. Let the water flow catch them and start pulling them. There's one that's kind of dirty still. It didn't get real clean. Let's see if we can get a little cleaner. Y'all check it out, see? Now we're going to push that one down in there. Now we're going to add a couple of more fresh ones to give y'all an idea of what these things look like. They are actually filter balls. See that? And you give it that real crystal clear water when you put them in. So I'm going to put a couple more. They come out of there looking like cotton balls. And you take them and you put them down in your basket like this. And you just let it circulate. And so therefore, what that does, you see how white those are and those others, they're still filtering. So we just let them run and they'll pick up all that algae and all that dirty out of that water and keep it clean for us, guys. So tell me something. Does your pool have balls, folks? That's what I want to know. So yeah, we put them in the basket. We get water looking like that. Hey, y'all be good. Remember something. Come back see us next time. And hey, got any questions about your pool, drop them in there. I'll do my best to answer them best I can. I used the modified 3B method. Borax, baking soda, bleach, and then I added the 4th B, balls. So let's go from there. Y'all be good. Take you next time and hit that subscribe and dingy so you'll know when I got another one coming up. Later.